Hi, in this video we are making beautiful personalized flower bookmarks with Cricut. Here I got some handmade paper I bought from Etsy. I like its rustic texture. We can also use watercolor paper, it also has nice texture. Metallic paper for cutting text. Pressed flowers from Etsy. You could also make your own. A hole puncher, tassels from Amazon, laminating machine and laminating sheet. Some gold leaf flakes, but it's optional. The paper up here is 6 by 8 inches, so I cut it in 3. Each is 2 by 8 inches. This is the bookmark base. It can be any size you prefer. Head to dartfont.com website. There are many free fonts here. Here I'm using Shoreline script. It is better to choose script font so all the letters are connected. It is easier for cutting and assembly. Download the font and install on your computer. Scroll down and we see brackets are swirls. This will be handy later. After installing the font, open Design Space, create a square. Go to the top and unlock the lock icon. Change the square size to 8 inches wide and 2 inches high. This is just for reference only when we add the text. Click the text and search shorelines. Click to choose it. Type in the text you like. Type in brackets to add in swirls. Use the rectangle as reference to adjust the text size accordingly. The text is longer than the bookmark because I'm gonna trim them later. Once we're happy with the size, click on Group. Now the text has become individual elements. If we click Make It, they will be cut separately, which is not what we want. Select all the text elements and click Wield. Now the word is all in one, but all the E's don't look right. Command Z or click the arrow on the top left to undo. Now they are back as individual elements. What we need to do is move all the E's slightly away from overlapped with the letters in front of them. Make sure all the letters are still connected together. Now select all the elements and click Wield. The text is ready to cut. Hide the rectangle and click Make It to cut. Slowly getting a word off the cutting mat. Dab glue and roughly secure the word on the bookmark base. Make sure not to lose small parts, like the dot on top of the I here. Trim off the swirls. This is my favorite part, arrange pressed flowers on the bookmark. I usually arrange layouts first and glue later. You could glue them as you go if you are confident. Pressed flowers are very delicate, so take time to place them. They just need very little glue to secure on the bookmark. We could also try different layout, like this one got the word magic on one side and flowers on the other. We could also make the bookmarks fancier by adding gold leaf flakes. This is the first time I used the gold flakes. I thought no need to glue them, just cover them with the laminating sheet. While I was closing the sheet, the static on the sheet attract the gold flakes and move them. Same as small piece of pressed flowers. If not glued, they will be moved by the static. Lesson learned here, no shortcut in crafting. Take 2, I glued the gold flags now and closing the laminating sheet. Go through the laminating machine, they look pretty good. Cut them to individual bookmarks. The corners are sharp, so I prefer to cut the corners to smooth them. Punch a hole and push through a tassel. How pretty are these bookmarks? Hope you enjoy this video.